COVID-19 has really impacted the affiliate world. And depending on which sector you're in, which industry, there are winners and losers. But, I found this really great report today looking at data in a data-driven way, which sectors are affected. Now, this is for particularly the CJ affiliate network, but the data is probably very comparable in every single network that you're working on. I mean, these are going to be consumer trends that apply to everything. So I'm just going to jump right in. I'm going to also drop the link to this great report in the description. So definitely go check it out. And let's jump right into it. So I'm not going to go through everything here, but I'm just going to highlight some of the best graphs that I found helpful. So you can see here actions and links year over year, and you can sort of play and see what happens here. But like I said, I'm just going to jump right down to some of the best ones, and can go dive deeper into these individual ones. But let's look at the sector. This is a great one. Sector performance by week. Right? So as you would imagine, travel is just obliterated right now. Same with finance. Now, I actually have a significant affiliate site in travel, so I'm one of those people who are, shorter end of the stick for at least that affiliate program I'm working with. I'm working with TripAdvisor, so that's kind of in the dumps for now. And finance, you would think, right? So it looks like there's one section that this week is slightly positive, but as you can see, it's all in the dumps, right? So if you're targeting offers, or you're providing offers in these industries, I'm not saying you should stop them, but I think it's important to have realistic expectations. So it may not be that your copy or your creative or your ads or whatever are not optimized, or you're not doing the right things. It may just, and more likely, just be that this is the industry. So maybe you slow down on that and you switch to something that is booming, and not surprisingly, retail, right? With everyone probably shopping online now, it makes perfect sense because no one can go anywhere. So let me just keep scrolling down here. So as you can see, drilling down further into the top retail categories, as you can see, clothing and apparel. I find that one actually kind of surprising. I would think that people staying at home, you might not need as many clothes, but hey, there you go, right? Media and books makes perfect sense. Beauty, again, interesting one that I guess people always want to feel and look good. Consumer electronics, that's an obvious one. So you can see what the top performing retail categories. Again, travel, obliterated. Finance, moving on. Tax services seems a little bit higher, but that's also because it was just tax season in North America. But this is probably one of my, no, not quite this one. I'm going to scroll down. Year over year, right? This one right here is showing you in the last 30 days what the performance has been, right? And look at this. We're looking at here, entertainment, live events, obviously not doing well. Financial services, not doing well. But one that's probably right now, and this is where the data can really help you. Not surprisingly, education is blowing up. I mean, people are at home. People are scared. People are out of work. So retraining and retooling themselves is really important. So right now, maybe the hottest CPA offers you should be getting on are education related. Right? Maybe you should be looking at, online courses, things of this nature. So, you want to work with the data, right? So it's really up to you. Do you want, you want to swim against the tide, or you want to swim with the tide, right? So all I'm saying is when you're selecting affiliate offers, the whole affiliate market is not, gone to shit like some people want to believe. It's just very simply winners and losers in something like this. So, and you'll get a really good sense of, which ones are, so beauty is still great as an example. Art, photo, stuff like that, not bad, right? So you can really see that. So I'm going to share this down below. Use it as a great tool to choose in these, for these coming months, which affiliate industries and offers you want to select, because If you choose the wrong ones, for example, I said travel, no matter how great you're doing, it just will not work at this time. So that's it, guys. Really quick tip. I'll share this report down below, and we'll see you in the next one.